Here comes another train. Let's do that. One more Paddington train and I'm done for the day. Yeah, 345 comes in. Yeah, one more. This we've got Whitechapel, Liverpool Street, Farringdon, Tottenham Court Road, and Paddington.
Train on platform B is your westbound service to Paddington. Your westbound service to Paddington. Allow passengers on the train before boarding the train.
Yeah, this is nearly done now.
The train now has departed. Mind the closing doors.
And what number is it? It is number 23. 345023 departs its journey to
The
Paddington.
train now arriving on platform A is your eastbound Elizabeth line service to Abbey Wood. Calling at Custom House, Woolwich, Abbey Wood.
Let's just try to do one more of the Abbey Wood one. Yeah, we'll do one more and then that's it for the day. I don't want to finish before 4 o'clock, so. I'll pick Sunsets and mix for some days I feel like it. There we go. From the Custom House, Village, and Abbey Wood.
This train will be moving out Whitechapel, Liverpool Street, Farringdon, Tottenham Court Road, and Paddington. Passengers wishing to travel to Bond Street are advised to alight at Tottenham Court Road and change the central line services to Bond Street. This remember to allow passengers off the train before boarding, and once boarding, make use of all available spaces within the train.
Number 70. Yeah, that was 345 number 70 again. So we've done lowest trains today. Right, I think that's enough filming for today, I think.